My parents were immigrants from Denmark, so I had sort of a Danish-American upbringing, even though my mother was totally gung-ho American. When I graduated from college, a girlfriend and I said, we have to get out of Dodge. So we jumped in her Chevy, packed it full of our things, and we just headed west. A friend of mine at State said, let's get a job out on the Point in Point Loma. There are several laboratories out there. One of the scientists asked me to come into his office, and he said, I need somebody to go back to Washington and collect data. The draft had ended, and so what was the military to do but to turn to women? The opportunity for me to study women in the military, it was as though, boy, this is where I really want to sink my teeth into this and show that women can do anything. And that's exactly what my research showed. Then I could dedicate all of my time to the women's movement and getting more women elected to office. When I became active in the National Women's Political Caucus, we felt it was extremely important to elect pro-choice women to elected office. That was really a glory time, the early 1990s. And I remember one time, every single one of my representatives was a woman. No, it was really a wonderful time when we had so many women representing us. And we need to do that again. And of course, we all need to look at the common good. As everybody knows, the United Nations is really pushing to empower women. So each year, I've been taking a delegation back to the UN, and I just returned from our current one. And we always have at least 10 women who go from San Diego back to the United Nations, and it's an exciting time. We need more women elected to office. And we know that if we can provide women with reproductive health care, that's major. If we can provide her with equal opportunities and equal rights, and if we can provide her with child care, we are going to vastly improve all societies throughout the world. On Women's Equality Day or on International Women's Day, to really remind everybody the importance of what women contribute and how much more we need to do to advance and empower women.